Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel Cravings Video Feelings. Finding difficult to get time to make sweet dish or dessert at home? See this recipe to rid of your tension. Like and subscribe my channel and you will get beautiful recipes very easy to make. Today I'll show you the recipe for the sweet dessert, that is carrot based pudding called as gajar ka halwa. गाजर का हलवा है. The process of making carrot pudding, or you can say gajar ka halwa, carrot halwa, anything. The boring and very hectic part is that we have to keep grating these all carrots. To rid of this grating part, let's see this recipe. Very easy, quick, and no need to grate any carrots. So quickly see the recipe. So here I have started and I have peeled out all the carrots, and as you can see I have taken a cooker and cut it in a small pieces or medium size pieces like this. So I have cutted all the carrots like this, and I'll halve if any big pieces are there, and in fact I will remove middle hard portion like this. The side one I'll keep and the middle one I will remove. Only the big pieces where you can find the tough one like this. Now we'll keep on flame or on high flame and cover the lid and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. By the time our carrots become soft, parallelly let's make our milk. So here I am taking 1 liter milk for 1 kg carrot. We'll keep boiling this milk until it become 1/4 of its portion. Now I have boiled my milk for 10 minutes and now I will add some green cardamom powder. So here it goes, green cardamom powder. So on low flame I will keep boiling my milk so that it will become more thick. Now I have added sugar in it and I'll keep boiling it, and it will give good taste if our milk is more thick. So as you can see my milk has started boiling again. Now in the low flame I'll keep it like this, and let's check our cooker. So our carrot is done. Let's open the lid and look at this. Wow, it is softened well. We can check. Nicely done and beautiful color. Now I haven't added anything in this, only carrot I have cooked. Now with the help of masher we'll mash the carrots nicely so that it will give just like your grated carrot feeling. Now I will transfer this in a wok or a kadhai so that I can easily mix it and cook further. Little more mashing. And our all carrots has mashed properly, nicely, and now at this time I will add ghee in this. Generously add the ghee. Don't be afraid, because anyhow this is sweet dessert, so it will increase your calorie only, but it will give you a very beautiful and good taste and give you more energy. So add ghee generously. Now we'll shift the kadhai on the flame and let it cook till its water dries out. The only trick to make gajar ka halwa tastier is to toast it nicely. At least 20 to 25 minutes we should toast it and keep stirring in between to avoid sticking from the bottom. Now we'll add some dry fruits. Here I have used only almonds and pistachio. You can add any nuts as per your choice. It will anyhow going to enhance the taste. So generously add as many as you want. Now, as I have already told you that we have to keep toasting it and keep stirring it. So the same thing I am doing here. Now as you can see, the water has dried little bit. At this time we'll add the milk in this, which we have already prepared. I am sieving it because I don't like malai in this, but it gives more good taste if you add malai, and if you like it you can add your milk directly. Now as we have added milk, it will slightly change the color and we'll mix it properly. Now I will add the khoa, or you can say it's a dried milk maid. It is easily available in all sweet shops. You can buy it from there, or if it is not available then you can add directly milk maid. It will help to shape the texture and enhance the taste. We'll keep stirring till all the khoa will mix nicely. As you can see, it started melting slowly because of heat, and it will mix in this. More 5 to 7 minutes we need to toast it, and you can see the changes in the texture. Now you can see the texture, it is all the water has dried up, little bit bubbles are coming up, so it will also get dried, and I will show you the texture from the sides. It is easily removing from the side. It has cooked perfectly and the aroma is amazing in my kitchen. Wow. So we can now switch off the flame and serve it hot or cold with the dry fruits top on it, and you can enjoy. So here I am doing topping of my carrot pudding with sliced pistachio and thinly sliced almonds. And it's ready to serve. Make and serve this amazing and delicious carrot pudding or gajar ka halwa in your rush time. No grating, no tension, easy to cook and very delicious. So if you like my recipe, give me thumbs up. Also, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of my videos. So foodies, keep eating, be healthy, be safe.